Is DOGELON Mars a truly wise interest in an especially significant manner? That is an inquiry that truly many individuals explicitly are asking themselves, as this new digital money begins to acquire consideration, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. In this video, we've in a real sense assembled an examination of the DOGELON Mars cost forecast. We will likewise in every way that really matters, talk about the specialized highlights of this coin, and tell you the best way to sort of get it. How about we go, which certainly is genuinely critical. DOGELON Mars price prediction 2022, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. As per the specialized examination of DOGELON Mars costs expected in 2022, the base expense of DOGELON Mars will generally be $0.00000058. The greatest level that the ELON cost can go after the most part is $0.00000065. The sort of typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.00000060, which is very critical. August 2022. DOGELON Mars price forecast in the center of the year 2022, the ELON cost will generally be exchanged at $0.00000052 on sort of normal, and in especially significant manner. June could likewise observe an expansion in the DOGELON Mars worth to $0.00000055, which truly is very huge. It is accepted that the cost won't drop in every practical sense, lower than $0.00000050 in June 2022, which is genuinely critical. ELON price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists especially have dissected DOGELON Mars costs in 2022, so they by and large are somewhat prepared to give their assessed exchanging truly normal for July $0.00000054. The most reduced and top ELON rates could in every practical sense be $0.00000052 and $0.00000058. October 2022. DOGELON Mars price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ELON cost will sort of be around $0.00000055 in an unobtrusive manner. In August, the DOGELON Mars cost might drop to a kind of least of $0.00000053, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The normal pinnacle worth could basically be $0.00000060 in August 2022 in an unpretentious manner. ELON price forecast for November 2022. Having examined DOGELON Mars costs, digital money specialists by and large expect that the ELON rate could especially arrive at a limit of $0.00000062 in September 2022. It may, be that as it may, drop to $0.00000056, as opposed to. Crypto specialists explicitly are continually dissecting the vacillations of DOGELON Mars, which is very huge. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical ELON cost will sort of be around $0.00000435. It could drop to a genuinely least of $0.00000424, however it actually could reach $0.00000494 all through 2027. DOGELON Mars price prediction 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists sort of get ready figures at the cost of DOGELON Mars. It is assessed that ELON will explicitly be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0.00000634 and $0.00000742 in 2028. Its sort of typical expense is normal at around $0.00000651 during the year in a significant manner. DOGELON Mars price prediction 2029, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Digital currency examiners are prepared to generally report their assessments of the DOGELON Mars cost, or so they thought. The year 2029 will sort still up in the air by the in every way that really matters, most extreme ELON cost of $0.00001082, or so they thought. In any case, its rate could drop to around $0.00000923 in a kind of significant manner. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0.00000955. DOGELON Mars Price Prediction 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the DOGELON Mars cost, crypto specialists by and large are prepared to give their ELON cost assessment to 2030 in a fundamentally enormous manner. It will be exchanged for something like $0.00001314, with the truly conceivable most extreme tops at $0.00001610. Incredibly. By and large, you can anticipate that the ELON cost should truly be around $0.00001362 in 2030. DOGELON Mars Price Prediction 2031, which sort of is very critical. Cryptographic money experts in a real sense are somewhat prepared to generally report their assessments of the DOGELON Mars cost. The year 2031 will not entirely set in stone by the most extreme ELON cost of $0.00002308 in a very huge manner. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $0.00001969. In this way, the normal pretty typical exchanging cost is $0.00002037, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Will DOGELON Mars get more expensive in a sort of enormous manner? It is hard to by and large foresee the future cost of any cryptographic money, yet DOGELON Mars has a ton of sort of expected in a fundamentally huge manner. It basically is at present exchanging at $0.0000004341 as of June 8. Will DOGELON Mars generally go to Coinbase, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking? This isn't known right now, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Coinbase truly has not recorded DOGELON Mars on their trade at this point in a quite enormous manner. Is DOGELON Mars coin a very wise speculation? Digital currencies sort of are exceptionally unstable, and costs can generally go up or down quickly, or so they for the most part thought. DOGELON Mars for the most part has a ton of potential, however it in every practical sense is likewise a sort of more hazardous speculation than some especially other digital currencies. We benevolently remind you to essentially do commonly your own personal exploration prior to putting resources into any crypto project as opposed to mainstream thinking.